How to use Honeygain on your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use Honeygain on your iPhone. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First steps first, open up your web browser. After you open up your web browser, simply search for Honeygain. Then head over to its website. So if you want to download Honeygain, you can head over to the three lines on the top right. Then tap on this download option. I'll open this up in another tab. And here you can notice that there is the app available for Android, Windows, Linux, and Mac. But for the iOS, that is iPhone, it's not yet there. So you'll just have to wait until the app is available. So what you can do instead of that is use the website itself. That is honeygain.com. So what you can do is tap on the sign up option on the top here. After you tap on that, you can then create your account. So let's sign in with Google. Choose your account, then tap on confirm. Doing that, you'll have created your Honeygain account. So let's reload this, then tap on sign up or sign in. So let me just go ahead with the sign up option. Then after you tap on the sign up option, you might just have created your account. Tap on the three lines on the top right to see if you've created the account. And there we go. Now, here you can see the last step is actually to download the app itself. So as you already know that there is no available app for iPhone itself, so you cannot actually download any option for the app. So for iPhone, you'll just have to wait until they have the app available. So just wait, and after the app is available, you can simply download Honey Gain and you can start earning money. So let's just see here. You can see the current balance for your Honey Gain, and there you can see the payout rate as well. And also, if you scroll down, you can earn even more by adding your friends here. So you can copy the referral link here and then share it with your friends. If you want to find the answers to a question, there are also different questions down here which you can see. And this is basically how you can use Honeygain on your iPhone until the app is available. And yeah, that's basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.